It's gonna be sniper versus DMR. We're just gonna see who wins this battle. And we're almost ready to start. He's getting into that corner straight over there. Okay. So I know where I'm gonna start. I need to get into cover somewhere. And 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, this is not a good area. And there are no trees that I can run. I gotta run over there. But then there's no cover over there. Okay. I'm gonna run. There we go, there we go. He knows where I am. Need to push back. Or push up. And now I've lost track of where he even is. My gosh. Now I've got him on the run at least. I'm hitting the... Hey, no full auto. Where is he? Promise he can just stand up. I'm sweating to death. I don't even know where he is. I hear him shooting. being obnoxious. Ah! I don't know where he is. Oh no. Okay. Reload time, folks. I'm sweating so bad. I actually don't know who's going to win this round. This is interesting. Yes. Okay. Finally. That's game. That was forever. That really took a long time. Well, in the end, what? I know. All right. Well, in the end, the sniper won. That was a long battle. All right. Good game, sir.